Have you ever come across a funny or expressive moment on TikTok that you wished you could turn into a GIF? Great news! TikTok has a built-in feature that allows users to create custom GIFs from their favorite videos and share them across other platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, and even in chats. Whether you're looking to make a meme-worthy reaction GIF or a looping clip of your own content, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. First, launch the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android device. You can choose any video, whether it's from your feed, your likes, or your own profile. Keep in mind that only public videos and videos where the creator has allowed downloads or GIFs can be converted this way. Scroll through your feed or visit your own videos, and choose the clip that you want to turn into a GIF. Once you've opened the video, look on the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see several icons, including like, comment, and share. Tap the three dots icon, which will open up a menu of options, such as sending the video via WhatsApp, Messenger, saving it, or copying the link. Now, look for an option labeled Share as GIF. It might be under the More section, so you may need to swipe or scroll horizontally through the available actions. After you select Share as GIF, TikTok will begin processing the video and converting it into an animated GIF format. This usually takes just a few seconds. The GIF will be a short loop extracted from the video clip you selected. Select which part of the video you want to make into a GIF. You can swipe it to the right or left to decide. When it is determined, tap Generate. Once the generate is complete, TikTok will show a preview and give you several sharing options. You can save the GIF to your phone's gallery or instantly share it through apps like WhatsApp, Instagram Stories, Twitter, or any messaging app. If you save it, you can access it from your phone's Photos or Gallery app, just like any other image or video file. Or, if you want to create stickers so that they can be used in your own TikTok videos, how to select the video that you have uploaded. Then click the three dots, slide the menu, then select Create Sticker. Then select which part of the video will be used as a sticker. Once selected, you can also add text to the sticker. Then click Next. TikTok will begin processing the video and converting it into sticker. Once done, you can add keyword for your own sticker, and you can also choose whether to make it public or private. If in private, then the button above must be turned off. Then click Create Sticker. If you want, use your own sticker. When you're editing a new TikTok, tap Stickers, and tap on Favorite icon or star icon, then tap on the sticker you have created. Drag and position the sticker anywhere on your video. Adjust how long it stays visible using the duration tool. You can add multiple stickers, animate them, and combine with text or sound for maximum creativity. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.